welcome to another vlog. I just woke up 15-20 minutes back. So today I mentioned in a few vlogs before that I had to go give a talk, like a speaker session kind of thing at Hansraj College, and that I was nervous about it, and the day is today. I'm taking some tension and I don't know. I mean, I've prepared I'll show you guys. Prepared some sort of a speech. Not exactly a speech, like I've just written some points, and I'm probably not even going to use this paper while I'm there, but I have this, but I'm still kind of Anyway, I got up. I thought I'm going to go to the gym, be productive, do something, shoot an intro for a video, but I did none of that. I got up 2 hours late. I was just sorting out like what I'm supposed to do in the next week, and then just going over my YouTube feed because why not? I'm kind of confused about what to wear. I'm wearing a skirt over my jeans at the moment. This always happens when I have a big day. I really can't decide what to wear. Yeah, I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. I just cut my nails. They were this long, and finally my new cover for my phone has arrived. I have this hideous cover and it's so annoying. If I do this to my phone, it just slides off, and so many times my phone has fallen because of that. I found this really boring one, but it's better than this cheap looking one. Frosted Shield. It's called Frosted Shield. Okay, I'm finally ready to leave. My cab is also here. I decided on a plaid shirt, skirt and tights and shoes. I'm nervous. Wish me luck. So we're in the cab right now, and Mohak is also coming with me. He didn't tell me he was coming, so he's kind of like a surprise. I've done a talk like this before. Hi! Hi! Everyone wants to be a YouTuber, right? It was kind of like a session with about 100 people. I don't even know how many people are going to turn up today. Maybe 50, maybe 40, maybe 2. And it's going to be an auditorium. That's the scary bit. And I have to talk about myself, and that's the scariest bit. I hate talking about myself. I can talk for hours about somebody else, but when you talk about yourself, it's the worst. And especially if it's an Audi, and if there are only 2 people in the Audi, that's going to be very bad. But I'll have one person in the Audi, that's going to be Mohak, and then I have my friend Mishika who's coming, so there'll be 2 people, and they're both mad. So at least there's someone who'll cheer for me, but I don't know.
Don't worry about it,
That's so going, I'm telling you. That's the
10 million.
Yeah.
पूरा इंडिया आ रहा है आज. ये सब वहीं तो जा रहे हैं. गाड़ियाँ देख चल.
Yeah, and this is getting spoiled. Like these things, they just come off now. Whoa! No.
All set. This is like the prep room.
Yeah. So we're in Hansraj College right now. First they took me and Mohak, and they're calling Mohak sir and me ma'am. This is mad. This is not like very Yeah. So they took us staging for the first time. Yeah. Now I'm really nervous because these guys, this reminds me of my first year when we had to do all this to the speakers who would come. They took us to the principal room, made me sit there like a celebrity, and I was just panicking inside. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? And Mohak is just telling me, chill out, act cool, and I just can't act cool. I'm just acting very lame right now. That's why I asked them to bring us to an empty room so that I can just chill and act like a human again. अब मैं prepare करती हूँ थोड़ा. Yeah.
सीरियल ये मत कर. सीरियल क्या है?
नहीं सोचा है कि मैं स्टार्टिंग से लेके अब तक जो भी स्टोरी है वो बस सुनाऊंगी, जैसे मैं बात करूँ.
Let's do this.
Indeed.
a very successful Dio product. More than 75,000 subscribers that she has amassed on her YouTube channel. We present to you Sejal Kumar, a young lady who is learning to grow her business. So let's raise a hearty welcome for her with a huge burst of clapping.
Hi! I like that. One last hi. Hi! Okay, so guys, please don't call me ma'am. My one semester back I've just graduated, so this is kind of weird for me because everyone's calling me ma'am, calling my friend sir, and we've been escorted here. It's kind of strange. I'm gonna introduce myself very quickly. I'm Sejal Kumar, and I run. You got rehearsed intro, so all aunties and all uncles they always ask me what I do, and it's the worst thing ever. So I tell them that I'm a YouTube. So how many of you guys actually watch videos on YouTube and are subscribed to any channel? You guys will know that societies are the most important thing in first year, right? All your seniors will tell you society nahi join kari, to matlab end of college life, dost nahi banenge. I was told the same thing when I was in college, and I, like an idiot, I auditioned for every society possible. I auditioned for music, dance, debate, enactors, fashion. There's a fashion society also in my college, everything. And I thought I won't get accepted to anything, something I try kar lo, kya farak padta hai. But weird thing, everybody accepted me, and it was the worst thing ever. So in the end, I talked to 1 million people. कौन सी society better है? Where can I find better crowd? किसमें होता है? In the end, I ended up joining a society which has the worst social standing. I'm that kind of person. I would only do what I like, no matter how good. So I also went on this internship to Turkey, and there I made my first video. I just told my friend, please we go shoot kar de, and I figured out how to edit some YouTube videos and all that. Just for information, on my channel, I edit everything on my own. I handle business on my own. So everything I do on my own, and everything I've learned from YouTube tutorials. Finally, when that video came about, you think इसे upload करना है, सब ready है. मैंने अपने 10 friends से check कराया, should I publish this, should I not? And everyone was like, go for it. But then वो जो first click होता है ना, तो मुझे जब share करना होता है, everyone's gonna judge you, ये क्या बनाया है and all that. And I did it. I was like, चलो ठीक है, कर लेते हैं. And then I got like 1,000 messages that day from random people. Wow, you're doing a good job and all that.
Yeah.
So just got done with the speaker session.
Amazing.
I think I ran off from stage too quickly.
No, you were very
I
good.
ran off in 5 minutes, it feels like.
She was very good. Yeah.
Yeah. Now we have this interview kind of thing lined up, and they're setting up over there. And I came to my college to chill with some friends. We met Kshitij today, and Mohak is at the back. And I'm gonna end the vlog here today. It was an awesome day. They gave me a trophy as well. And the whole experience was just really, really fun. And now everyone's going crazy. We're in that mode of having fun in college. And I was just meeting people in college today and ran into a lot of subscribers as well. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!